fist. My partner pushes on the bottom two abdominals, and then I just use my hands for listening and find his base, and then relax and sink my structure underneath and just produce sung underneath my partner using just finger touch for the listening. And we get our grounding path for our core, and we relax here straight to the back foot and sink underneath. So this is the downward ground path from the Tien. From there, we start speeding the June up a little bit more and rhythmically move from this speed. After about 9 issues, you use the hands and the core at the same time until you're getting a nice clean issue. And then from there, you start reducing the use of the hands and use more of the core. So instead of the palm touching, it's just the fingers touching, and you send a little bit of energy through the fingertips, but you're limited how much can actually go through the fingers. If you anchor your palm there, you can produce a lot. So just get the fingers and move as much as you can through the core, and use the fingers for listening. What I don't want to do is have any recoil. I don't want to be bouncing back in my body. As I issue, I've got to take any recoiling force and drop it down to the ground. So make sure everything's softening and sinking and coming under. Once I've produced the sung, I want to extend the sung to the pad and relax underneath. What this does is the exercise we just did previously. This is a preliminary. This one should have be done first, where you're building that core Tien strength, firing your hip through their hip, using the hands to listen. And then from there, from the pressure being on the core, you move up and down the abs so you really get the abs to bite. And what your partner can do to stimulate is just twist slightly on the skin, so it pinches the skin and gets your mind really cleanly in there. And then from there, move to here, and then still use your Tien the same way. Fire the force, and just finger pressure again on there, and let the energies extend. Tien to Tien connection. First with knuckles, then without. Okay, have a play.